Good morning, children. How are you all? I hope everyone fine. Yes, today we are going to start new lesson. The lesson name is Earth Movements and Season. The lesson name is Earth Movements and Season. It is very interesting lesson to us, children. Yes. See, we are in which season right now? Yes, rainy season. Rain started to fall down. Now we are experiencing hot climate conditions, then getting rain. We are getting cold climatic condition. We are getting transformed into the winter season. Okay, who brings to these changes for us? How does the climate change? To understand this, we have to study the topic, the earth and its movements. Yes. Do you know, children, how many main seasons are there in India? Yes, there are 4 seasons. Main summer, winter, rainy and autumn. Isn't it? Yes. And spring season also. Once you see the given picture, children, yes. Once you observe the first picture, observe the first picture. See, trees and its surroundings are covered by snow. In the third picture you observe, yes, you can see the same tree sporting leaves. There is no snow. In the second picture, the same tree has fully grown leaves. In the second picture, it has fully grown leaves. In the last picture, ripe red leaves are falling from the same tree. Do you know why these changes are occurring? Yes, that's right, seasons. That's right, seasons. Isn't it? Yes. See, it is which season? Summer. Very good. It is rainy season and it is winter season. So, these seasons like summer, rainy, winter are the same in all corners of the world. We need to analyze the different conditions. We just move on example. Yes, we have the place called Ohio. We have the place called Ohio. Once you observe here, yes, which is in this United States of America. Ohio, it is in United States of America. The Ohio is the place where the sun can be seen even during the night time. Also, we find the sun having here, for example, the longest line in the American continent, but temperature are very less. It is extremely cold in Ohio. Now, how it appears, like how to understand the concept very clearly? Sun is appearing for us at the same time, temperature are also very cold. For us, sun appears, temperature will be increased, sun disappears, temperature came down for us, isn't it? How this is linked for us? To understand clearly, please concentrate on this, children. Ohio is the place where it is located on above the Tropic of Cancer. Above the Tropic of Cancer. It is in 23 half degree north. Tropic of Cancer and below to the poles. So, the reason is in only 30% of the solar radiation of the earth to this region, and when it receives less amount of solar radiation. So, it receives less amount of solar radiation, so that the angle of projection and angle of incidence is very high, which makes the sun rays to be falling here 12 to 14 hours. How many hours the sun rays is falling? 12 to 14 hours. When compared to the country like India, when sun rays falls only for 10 to 12 hours. In our India, how many hours? 10 to 12 hours. This brings the geographical variations. This brings the geographical variation for us to understand the climatic conditions, isn't it? So, the Ohio, the winter extremely cold When summer, we don't have that much cold climatic condition. So the effect of this can be understood and very clearly that on the sun rays falls during the understood very clearly, and the sun rays falls during the midnight also. The sun rays will be like candlelight. Do you know, children? The sun rays are falls on midnight. Midnight, do you know? 12 o'clock like that. Yes. So the sun rays will be like candlelight, isn't it? We have to understand that. Yes, children, it is wall map, isn't it? Where is the equator here? Here, equator, it is dotted lines, isn't it? It is equator. And see, children, equator can be divided into two halves, that is northern hemisphere and southern hemisphere. It is southern hemisphere and it is northern hemisphere. You might have to read in previous classes, isn't it? Yes. Once, see that in the southern hemisphere, South America and Australia and here Chile on the globe. These are also called as countries of southern continents. These are also called countries of the southern continents. Okay, that is continents that are south of the equator. These continents are south of the equator only. In these countries, the cycle of seasons is different. The cycle of seasons is different. That is, they have winter when we have summer. They have winter in that southern hemisphere. It is winter season, means in northern hemisphere summer, and we have a winter, they have a summer. So in fact, that is pattern in all places in the south of the equator. Yes, like that. We are not the only ones with such questions, but for thousands of years, human beings have been curious about this matter and over time have worked hard out the answers. Let us try to understand why seasons happen, why we have some parts that are warm and some cold, and why our seasons are opposed in the northern and southern hemisphere. Yes, to understanding, we have to understand the complex interaction between several factors. These are the first one, the spherical shape of the earth and curvature of its surface. And second one, daily rotation of the earth on its own axis. Third one, the tilt of the axis of rotation compared to the plane on which the earth moves. And the fourth one, the earth's movement around the sun once a year, that is revolution. That is about the introduction of the earth movements and season. In the next session, we are discuss about these four